Well, looks like we're going fishing today. I actually have a slight history of fishing in the snow. The last time I remember I did it was 3 years ago. Of course, I didn't catch anything that day. And you would think I would have learned my lesson, but as you can see from today's video, I guess not. Now, I don't know if this is something that you would consider dedication or foolishness, maybe a bit of both. Regardless, we're just gonna have a good time fishing some snow. Oh, wow. Wow. That water is actually not muddy. It's actually pretty clear for this pond, especially. Oh, it's pretty muddy over here. I'm gonna be slipping and sliding all over the place. I should probably go to that side. It looks a lot better. I'm pretty lucky today. It's actually stopped snowing. It's just raining a little bit. But as you can see from the extremely crunchy ground, this snow is no longer pure snow. It's starting to form in like chunks of ice now. For those of you wondering what I'm throwing today, this is called an Alabama rig. It's really good to throw during the winter time and the springtime, but as you can see for today's conditions, regardless of what I throw, I probably won't catch anything. Throwing this on a 7.9 extra heavy Halo Kryptonite. Come to think of it, I actually have a test to study for. Well, make sure you guys leave a big fat thumbs up. And if you aren't already subscribed, it'd mean a lot if you do that. Okay, I mean, it doesn't look bad. If I was fishing in the right conditions, then yeah, I'd be stoked to throw this. I have quite a few people just looking at me. They're probably wondering, what is this kid doing? And I honestly cannot tell you myself. I'm gonna throw along this bank. That's always a good spot. Oh, got one. No, just kidding. You really thought I'd catch something in this weather? Not yet, guys, not yet. Bass are probably just watching this swim over their heads and be like, why are there shads still swimming this time of year? Luckily, I'm all layered up for today. I don't feel a bit of cold unless it's through my fingertips or my face. Oh, got tapped. Probably was a rock. Yeah, 100% a rock. It's also probably not the best idea to be throwing a rod in this cold of weather. It's actually 32 degrees. So if it just drops one more degree, then, you know, I'd probably have ice on my guides. But luckily right now, nothing. Still a little bit of exploring since that's kind of what I'm about. Check out this creek over here. Oh, wow, that is so cool. You guys can't see it yet, but trust me, it's worth the watch. Okay. A little stream. I should be. Oh, okay. I literally just fell. All right, let's jump. Good. Made it across. Look at that water, guys. That's really clear. If only there were trout in here, that would be so cool. Throw against this bank. Oh yeah, there we go. Maybe I'll try a little deeper water. Let that sink. It's probably around like 4 feet there anyways. Not that deep. Oh yeah. Okay. Wow, that's so cool. Just disappears instantly. I know you guys are probably about to like go in the comments section and be like, you should definitely throw a jig or a Ned rig or a drop shot, something that's slow, not as fast as an Alabama rig. You know, that's a great idea, but I don't have much time to fish. And if I were actually gonna try and catch a fish on a slower technique, that would just require me to spend a lot more time out here. And that, unfortunately, I don't have that time today. All right, T. Every fisherman has their own limits, and I don't think I could do this anymore. It's so cold. Man, you actually sweat a lot when you're out in the snow. Let's get home. So nice and warm. Real quick thing I wanted to show you guys before I signed off was, see that number? That is how many subs we are at right now. That's 80 subs away from 5,000 subscribers, which is a big goal of mine. It's actually the halfway point of my goal of 2021, which is to get 10,000 subscribers. Sure, this may not be that accurate at the time you're seeing this video. I might already be there for all I know. But real quick, I just wanted to say, big thank you to each and every single one of you. Every single view, every single like that you leave, it just means a lot. Throughout my journey as a small fishing YouTuber, I've received so many positive comments that just keep me going. I hope the one thing you learn from me is not necessarily to fish in the snow like I did today, but to actually go out and just explore new fishing locations, have fun, go with some friends, and just enjoy this sport, whether you do this as a hobby, as a job. Anyways, I'm talking too much. I hope this was at least somewhat entertaining. Have a good one, and as always, fish for the adventure.